Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, my dear Exians. Hope you all are well. Students, it's our English lecture, and today I am going to teach you a letter P. P, yes. P. Okay. Now, objects that start with P. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for pizza. P for pizza. P for parachute. P for parachute. P for piano. P for piano. P for pencils. P for pencils. Okay, now we will write capital P on lines. Yes, okay. Let's start. Okay, now 4 lines. Yes, there are 4 lines, but we will write on first 3 lines. Start from very top and down, draw a standing line. Yes, and now again go to top and curve line from top to middle. P. Once again, yes, top. Start from very top, first line, and standing line. Standing line, yes, and now again go to top, from top to middle. This is curved line P. Dear students, okay, now students, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.